Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be getting into reviewing. It's just my personal pair right here, and we're going to be giving you guys an on-foot review for the Jordan 4 RM Bike Air. As y'all can see, very, very clean pair in hand. Prices have gone crazy on these in the last couple days. I don't know why they're going super nuts now. I knew they were going to go up, right? And I was expecting maybe a $100 rise, but some sizes are now up like $200, like even some of the size 10s, and I'm like, I mean, I get it, but I mean, damn, you know what I mean? I was saying this could be the next SB4 as a whole. I was kind of kidding, guess not, but yeah, let's just kind of get into it and discuss. You know, this is a personal sneaker, what they look like on feet, because again, I've been wearing these around. They're nice. They're pretty comfy. It's a snug kind of fit. You got to break them in a bit, like kind of at first, or, you know, a little maybe feel a little weird on feet, but once you kind of break them in, wear them around a little bit more, they actually feel normal. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, feel free to, again, subscribe and like down below. We're going to be sure to go outside, get y'all, again, the on-foot shots for this sneaker, showing y'all what they look like, again. And do not forget, if y'all like paying less for sneakers, make sure y'all check us out down below at Resale Vision. You can see some of the recent deals we've done this week. We've been running these right here, Bike Airs, on the market. We know people like this pair, so we've done tons and tons of them. I got lots of these on the way from my inventory that, you know, I got a pretty good price. So, you know, I'm up with them. I'm pretty happy about my purchasing decision on, you know, getting a lot of these early, you know what I mean? So, yeah, ended up being good. But it's also just a clean, slick sneaker, so we're going to get into how it looks like. And if you like paying less in kicks, getting deals, you can see, again, some of the ones we did this week. Do not miss out on that. Join down below. Stop paying the high for kicks. I mean, we help you get better prices. That's what we do. We source them for you. And let me know your thoughts on the sneaker down below in the comments. And you can check out my Instagram if you ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me. And if I haven't gotten back to you recently, I'm sorry. I've been mad busy lately. But again, I've been talking too much. Why don't we just get into, again, the on-foot shots for this video. And I'll quickly, you know, again, give you all up close a glimpse of these right here. So, again, heading into probably the most noticeable part, of this sneaker is going to be right here, the Bike Air logo on the back. Obviously, not, you know, we don't cut that Nike Air logo. You can see they switched it up a little bit because keep in mind, Nigel Sylvester, I believe, is the first BMX athlete to get a Jordan, or one of the first, but definitely one of the more recognizable names, right? Because he's kind of bigger in the BMX scene. He has a decent following, right? Like I think 700K followers, something like that. Like, you know, good amount for a BMX athlete, right? Because I don't know BMX as being like a super global sport. So he's kind of trying to take it there, you know what I mean? Make it more known to people. And I think getting a Jordan model, and considering the fact they got another colorway on the way, that's good for his name, but that's also good that Nike's kind of, you know, pushing into like different areas, different sports. Like that's going to help, you know, BMX, you know what I mean? As much as that might seem like a stretch, stuff like this is going to introduce people to the sport. Because they're going to be like, oh, who's Nigel Sylvester? They're going to look into it. They're going to look into what he does. They might get interested in BMX from watching what, you know, some of his videos. It can literally be as simple as that. It sounds crazy. Things can start literally just from that. So aside from that, as you guys can see, we're going to dive into one of the main details right here. Right here on the tongue tag. Y'all can see Bike Air by Jordan embroidered on right there. Very, very nice. And I'm still... days later, guys, can someone help me out in the comments, please? Like, I'm gonna look it up today, so I'll probably figure it out, but someone help me out in the comments. What is this material right here? I know this is like a really easy answer. It's just not clicking with me right now. Like, what is the material that they chose to use on this? Like, it's different right up here, right, where they embroidered it, but I'm talking right here. Like the center of the tongue tag. I'm still trying to figure out. I know, I'm sorry. I've only had these, literally got them like, I think yesterday or something like that. I got a few pairs in yesterday, but this is my personal. And I'm still kind of like stuck on trying to figure out what that tongue tag material is. It's like, it reminds me of like my old like school backpack almost, you know what I mean? But yeah, aside from that, you know, doesn't make the sneaker, you know, uncomfortable because the material they chose to use in the inside. Y'all can check out that, you know, size tag, everything right there. Y'all need to get, oh. No, let me not knock over my camera, but y'all can see that hopefully a little bit. I don't think that's super visible, but aside from that, y'all can also see Nigel Sylvester's name right there on the inside of the sneaker. I thought that was pretty cool how they did that. So pretty nicely done, dude. I do not know why I'm looking like a ghost right now. I guess it's just like the lighting I got or something, but aside from that, that's again not what we're focusing on right now. Also, the soles on the sneaker, you guys can see, pretty cool. And again, this is called the Grandma's Driveway Jordan 4 RM. Well, it's not like, you know, the name sounds a little bit different than that, but you guys can see how, you know, the colorway is, the suede material they decided to use, and just the general color they decided to use throughout most of the sneaker, because keep in mind, it's based off the fence that was around his grandma's driveway. And the box, I got the box, I got a few pairs, so let me go grab one. Here's a 9 I got, right? This is also a 9, but you guys can see, And I would actually, these do fit a little bit snug, excuse me. So I would recommend actually going a half size up, personal recommendation. Or you gotta loose lace them if you go with your true size. But you guys can see, Bike Air, Grandma's Driveway. That's what, again, the material of this box, what it's based off, Grandma's Driveway. And again, excuse me, you guys can see they decided to add this back. There's the size tag in case y'all need to see a legit pair right there. Your boy has quite a few on the way. We did good. I'm not gonna say how many. I'll show you on the video. All I'm gonna say is, I'll be surprised if somebody has as many pairs as I do. Nah, I'm kidding. I know someone has more. Literally, like, how I got a lot of them. But aside from that, your boy has a decent amount on the way. It's gonna be a really cool video. And shout out Nigel, man. I mean, this is such a cool sneaker. I gotta complete the set now. So we got this one, and then we got the kind of like ash gray or like kind of like dark gray colorways on the way. People are just saying, it's a black colorway. So we got that one on the way. Gonna need to cop, you know what I mean? Like, again, if however many bike carriers you're gonna make, you know what I mean? I'm gonna need to complete the set because if all of them are gonna do well, then I'm gonna be here for all of them, you know what I mean? So that is what I can say. But aside from that, can we now get into the most important part of the video, Tristan? So we're gonna be getting into the on-feet shots for this. Just want to again give you all a little up-close glimpse, kind of showing y'all what they look like, all the details, running through that again, and let's actually show y'all again what these look like on feet because they're fresh. I like them. I know it's not everybody's style, but clearly the market likes them. They were limited. A lot of sizes went up a couple $100. Aside from the point though, let's review these Bike Airs on feet right now. Let's hop into it. So if you all want my honest opinion, these fit really nice, kind of snug, very similar to actually the SV4. That's one I could compare it to. I know I was mainly comparing it because I saw price potential in it, it going up. We discussed that the other day. They ended up going up. That was nice. That we got ours early, plenty of them. But you guys can see again just how the details sit. Again, these look really, really clean on feet. I think the colorway is probably just the main detail that stands out in these, and the fact that they actually look pretty good. Like, it's a nice little low top. Except, it's kind of like a Jordan 4 low. Again, not everybody's style. I know some of my old heads are really pissed about these doing well. Hey, man, that's just the market, you know what I mean? Hate the game, not the player, you know what I mean? If they're cheap, everyone would be buying them, you know what I mean? Everyone is trying to buy them. That's why they went up in price. So, you know what I mean? I'm not always trying to work out the logic with people, but aside from that, it's just a really, really nice shoe. And, yeah, there's no, I don't really think there's too many issues with them. Again, maybe it's not your style. There's no issue with that. There's plenty of other good pairs out there. We had the wet cements yesterday. Those are super nice. And a couple other ones. So, again, let me know your thoughts on these. Pretty good. I think the suede's probably the nicest detail, and the colorway. Just how that stands out on foot. Like, the overall model, too, is pretty nice. So, cop from me. Anyways, guys, that's really what I can say, again, about the... Oh, let me not mess up my laces on my personal pair. But this is the Jordan 4, again, RM Bike Air Grandma's Driveway, Nigel Sylvester collaboration. Let me know how y'all are feeling about these. And if y'all want to potentially get your pair on the market, check us out at Resale Vision. Don't forget, that's what we've been doing all week. We ran so many Bike Airs. Like, I'm telling you, like there was a lot of pairs, a lot of bike pairs that I bought that I wish I could have held on to, but we ran them in the group because, again, we know people really like the sneaker. We still got tons of those on the way for members. You can see some people receiving their stuff right now. So 100% legit. I know people got that question. You can see a couple photos right there of people getting their stuff. We got that every single day. That's why we have a success channel, excuse me. And just let me know your thoughts, again, on the bike pairs down below. And you can check me out on my Instagram if you ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me. And again, I hope to see you all in my IGs if you ever want to just see the content I'm posting, or hope to see you all again in Resale Vision if you want to get better deals on sneakers, or down below in the comment section. Just let me know your thoughts, again, on the bike airs. And sorry to anybody who I've not gotten back to DMs on these about. I apologize. Prices have been all over the place last couple days, so it's honestly just, like, if you want the 100% real answer, it's just been hard to lock in a price of where I should price these. Like, I have no clue where I should price these bike airs. Like, the ash gray pair right now is listed on StockX for like thousands of dollars. Obviously, that's completely unreasonable and will not sell there. But I don't know where these are going. Like, I got absolutely no clue. And like, also, some of the pairs that I was locking in, my guy raised the price on, because literally they've been moving up on StockX by the hour. So I had a cheaper price a couple hours before, and just because I was slow to reply to DMs because I had group stuff going on, there you go, price went up on me, so I had to charge a different price. So yeah, basically, if you still want them, it's gonna be a higher price. That's life. A couple of y'all are locked in still for lower prices. I'm literally just waiting for some sizes to land though, so some of y'all are still good. Just thought I'd let you know. All right, I've been talking for too much there. I just wanted to give y'all honest answers, like no BS over here. So that's it. Again, let me know your thoughts on the bike airs, and I'm gonna catch y'all again in the next video. So I'll see you then. Subscribe and like down below for more. I was trying to like, I think I already said that, so I'm done repeating myself. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one tomorrow. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.